Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can perform a Realme country and registration check using your email number on your Realme 14 Pro. So all you have to do is to just go to your phone app on your Realme device and dial this number. And this number, when you dial it, will cause your device to show you your email number and as well as the serial number, but you can also find the email number in the about phone section of your settings. When you find it, just look for imei.info website and type in the email number right here. You will get some basic informations about your phone. Then you scroll down, you'll find the Realme country and registration date. And just press the check Realme country and registration date. That's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and considered helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.